You want to cut Papa's hair or baby's hair?
Papa.
You gonna cut Papa's hair?
I done baby hair.
Hey, son. Of course, G needs a haircut, sweetie.
Down here.
Baby, where'd you get that shirt? Whose shirt is that? That's Janice's shirt?
Yeah, Janice.
Janice, Fatima's wearing your shirt, darling. Baby, I went to the sorry store, and I told him exactly what you said. I said, my wife said to get sardine meatloaf. Oi! The lady just started laughing.
I
said, what is that?
No sardines, meatloaf.
I heard sardine meatloaf. Oi!
No, before I like sardines, like I changed my mind. That I want meatloaf. Okay, no sardines, meatloaf.
Now, how much do you love sardines?
50-50.
The folks back at Puzzles on station. That's the SOS. Over 2 biscuits right there. That looks delicious. And we went with a side of 2 sausage patties. And my man over here is rocking a piece of ham too. Oh, is that country ham, man? Yeah, it's like country ham. Give it a taste. Is that sweet or country ham? Here, just throw it right there. Just throw me. Oh man, I didn't mean to take your whole piece there, dude. Check it out.
Can I get a biscuit?
Absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. All right, I'm gonna bite into this biscuit here. Oh yeah, look at that cross section. That cross section on that biscuit. I hope the iPhone is doing it some justice. I'm shooting on the iPhone today because I got my RX 100 as part of my live stream setup. Let me take a bite on this. Oh yeah.
Sorry, that's the last biscuit that they get also. Tomorrow, maybe.
Man, I got the last biscuit, dude. You want half of this SOS?
Yeah, that's all right.
You can try it. It's good.
It's all right, I'll just get it.
Look at the cross section on that piece of sausage. Take a bite here. Oh yeah. Tastes like America. As I'm laid back, got my mind on my money, got my money on my mind. I'm riding in the back like Donald J. Trump, folks. Don't get jealous because I got the driver. Give you a look around my world right here. Look at that. Looking for 8 when they pull that gate, and I hope that judge ain't blind. Hell yeah, rocking them Red Wing boots made in America. Made in America. Alright, I'll give you a good look around here. Rolling down to Walker Street with my man Captain Ron. See what's shaking over here. Going down to just pop in, see my friends over at Gazoo Beer Garage. See how things are going. See when we can get another episode fired up of the Vid Joking Contest. Walking Street got talent. Get some more singers up to the microphone with a little bit better audio setup than I had the last time, I promise. I'm not saying the next one's gonna be perfect, and that every time I produce a show, it's gonna get better. Yeah, just go to the left there, my friend. Yeah, just pull. Oh, Daddy. Yeah, just pull over right here, Dito. 379 on the pork steak, and looks like 429 on the country style. Look at them thick pieces of meat there. All right, folks, look who it is. My beautiful door greeter here. She's always here, folks. A beautiful lady. Folks, that lady right there, so sweet. Look at her. She She opened and closed the door for me, opened the trike door. Shout out to her. Sweet lady. Now, folks, I picked up a bunch of meat. I have a little barbecue tonight, I think. But the pork steaks and the country style pork, they were looking really good, so I had to go big on it. Picked up this trike, and this is sort of open. I can sort of see out, but look, this is one of them I talk about that's like a damn coffin. It's like you're in a submarine. If this thing goes down, you ain't gonna know it and you can't get out of it. So the old lady wanted me to bring in some cowday. The plan didn't work out. So I don't got the cowday, baby, but I got plenty of pork for you. And I know you love to eat the pork. So I'm bringing you some pork. You gotta make your own cowday, baby. Shout out to my new friend Sue. I met you at the Puzzles Cafe. Thank you very much for watching our videos. Being a friend here on the channel, and it was a pleasure to meet you. Folks, my man Ron is about to take the beach and eat some of this habanero pepper sauce on French fries. It's like 310,000 Scoville heat units. Basically liquid pepper spray.
321,900.
Yeah, so he's gonna take the beach on it. You go ahead, man. Let me know how it goes. I'll follow your lead on that one.
I'm waiting for the fries, and then I need a beer for Chaser. Okay.
You probably need a jug of milk.
I don't care.
Dude, I just got a whiff of that. I'm telling you right now, that smells like pepper spray.
No, I just get it. No, this one.
I'll let you put it on there.
Baby, you want to do it?
Kunti lang.
You want to put some on there?
You wanna mix that one here, or you want me to put on the side?
No,
Oh, okay. Yeah, just ano first. Kunti first. See that one? Okay. You can try that one
I'm
first.
telling you, 100%. That smells like somebody emptied a can of OC in there.
CS gas?
No, pepper spray. Get you a big. Put that bear spray in your mouth. There he goes.
It's a little warm. Don't have a lot of taste to it though.
The real reaction. The real reaction.
Yeah.
He goes in for the Red Bull.
It's good. Don't have a good taste, but it's warm.
Bro, you dropped your fry. Your mouth must be numb.
Yeah, it's warm.
You didn't get the fry in your mouth. Try again.
I'm not crying.
You want milk?
Hey, so try that sauce. They got a new sauce.
Oh, good. We just ate. Thank you.
So it's gonna set me on fire, huh? Let me see.
I'm worried.
It's hot.
It's habanero or what?
It's hot, man.
That's warm.
Man, you better drink that beer. I don't think them Red Bulls gonna help you.
Red Bull is better.
Bring that one.
It's like a syrup.
So, with that open up the sinus,
Red Bull.
the one to a contest with that.
Oh, it open up the sinuses?
It does.
Okay, folks. So after meeting up with some friends and having a couple drinks, actually I only had one drink, Red Bull. There's the Live House Rust Stove Bar. We like to go in there and listen to music. My crew, they all headed out to the next location, but this dude right here, is headed home. Headed home because I miss my babies, miss the old lady, and got to get everything ready for my daughter to go to school tomorrow. Instead of out partying all the town. So that's the end of my night. And we were talking about the next videoke contest / live stream, whatever we're going to do it. And basically I'm still troubleshooting and getting to know my new equipment, my video switcher. Pretty simple, but you know, you got to make sure you work out all the bugs, all the kinks. And for example, today spent like an hour panicking because I couldn't get it to work, and it was a very simple fix. But with any piece of gear, piece of kit, you got to get to know it before you deploy it, right? So I told him, hey, give me another day to make sure I can troubleshoot this stuff, make sure I know exactly how to work everything to where the next audio is good on your end, because I realized it was horrible. And I think when it hit YouTube's compression for the file that you hear now, it's even worse. Compression did a number on it too. So I'm working to prevent that and to up the game on the next live stream. So folks, with that, wow, beautiful ladies everywhere. With that, I'll say goodnight. Thanks for joining me on today's hodgepodge video. Even though the action is just now getting fired up in Angeles City. It's time for me to head to the barn. Home, my friend. Until tomorrow.